First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Peel, deseed and roughly cube a butternut squash and place on a baking tray along with a quartered shallot. Drizzle over 2 tablespoons of Mr. Organic's Italian Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil, then sprinkle on a teaspoon of paprika. Season well with salt and pepper and shuffle to coat. Nestle in 3 garlic cloves, still in their skins, and place in the oven to bake for 30 minutes or until the butternut squash is tender. Then remove from the oven once cooked and set aside to cool. Meanwhile, in a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, a tablespoon of flax seeds and a tablespoon of poppy seeds. Stir in 1/4 cup of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of Mr. Organic's olive oil and a good pinch of sea salt, and then pour in 1/2 cup of boiling water and stir together to combine well and set aside for 10 minutes. While that's setting, remove the skins from the garlic, place the roasted butternut squash into a blender with the shallot and add in the garlic. Pour in 1 cup of plant-based milk and squeeze in the juice of 1/2 lemon and blend until smooth and creamy, adding more plant milk if needed. After 10 minutes, the seed mixture should have thickened. Spread it out onto a lined baking tray in a rectangular shape as thinly as possible. Place the seeded topping in the oven to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until crispy. Pour the blended butternut squash mixture into a pan and heat through well. Next, add in a jar of Mr. Organic's organic cannellini beans and their liquid and stir through. Bring to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and allow to cook on low for 20 minutes. Once warm through, place the butternut beans in a small serving or baking dish, remove the crunchy seeded topping from the oven, cut to fit the size of your baking dish and serve on top of the butternut beans. With 9 plant points, this winner of a weeknight dinner is loaded with bean protein, packs and veggies, and that tasty seeded top adds a delicious crunchy texture. It's the ultimate autumnal comfort food. Grab a fork and enjoy.